guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another tutorial for you guys that I created with this month's January Boxycharm box. If you guys are interested in subscribing to the box, which is $21 a month, which I think is worth it because you guys get full-size products for only $21. If you guys are interested to subscribing to the box, so I'll link it down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notifications bell to get notified every time I upload a video. And if you like this video, please thumbs up, and also do not forget to follow me on my social media that are linked down below. And if you guys want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. So this month's Boxycharm box came with this Briego Recycled Milk Repetitive Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I'm not gonna be using this because I've used it before and it dries my hair like crazy, so I don't really like it. And then it also came with the Tarte Cosmetics limited edition of Rainforest of the Sea volume number 3, which I'm going to be using the palette. And also it came with the Ofra Cosmetics Havana Lights lipstick. It came with this $1 billion eyebrow pencil. I tried it, but unfortunately I can't use it because it's too light for me. Doesn't match, so I can't use the brow pencil, so I'm a little bit upset about that. And then it also came with two of the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. So I already applied everything off camera, my foundation and everything off camera, because I just want to jump straight into the video. Of course, I'm going to be using the Tarte Cosmetics palette. So since it does not have any matte colors, I'm going to be using another palette. For the brow bone highlight, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Like I said, since it doesn't have any matte colors, I'm just going to be using the Artistry Studio Downtown D palette, and I'm going to be taking shade number 4. And I'm going to be going in with shade 3. And I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Next, going back to the Artistry Studio palette, I'm going to be going back with shade number 3 to darken the outer corner. And I'm also going to be taking the same shade for the bottom lash line. Next, I'm going to take this shade up here, putting it as my inner corner highlight. Next, taking the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I'm going to be coating my lashes. Next, I'm just going to brush off the baking powder. To be taking this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil matte bronzer. I'm going to use it to contour. Next, I'm going to take this Too Faced Love Flush in the shade Baby Love for blush. And I'm just going to take the Tarte palette again. I'm going to be using this top shade for highlight. Next, to set everything, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Powder. Next, for the lips, I'm taking the Ofra Cosmetics Havana Lights lipstick. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!